Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to be installing our neoprene seat covers for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Now this is a set for the crew cab. It's going to include front and rear full coverage. They are a black neoprene for years of durability and great looks. Now these are our front seat covers. They are a one-piece design. They'll slip on the back and clip together using a series of buckles as well as hooks, and I'll show you that when we get them installed. Each position is going to be clearly tagged, so you make sure you're putting the right cover on the right seat, and that's especially important on the front seats because they do contain an airbag, and we've got accommodations for both of those. Each one's going to have heavy-duty stitching for a long life and a nice silk screen Rough Country logo on the front seats. We've also included covers for all 5 headrests. All right, our first step is going to be to remove the factory headrest. Push the button, bring it up. All right, we'll set that out of the way for now. Now we'll unclip our 2 straps, and I'm going to go ahead and extend those out a little bit. Like this. Take our back section, slip it over the seat, pull it down. Work your way down. It's snug, but it's an exact fit, and that's what you want. And then I like to pop the headrest clip through so it looks nice and finished like this. And this is how you do it. You simply just work the hole around that factory clip, just like that. All right, we'll just continue to pull it into place, make sure everything's lined up correctly. Take our airbag flap, tuck it into place on the side here. We've got a flap that has a retainer that will tuck between the cushion and the back pad to keep it in place. So we'll bring this down, take this retainer and tuck it between the 2 cushions, make sure that it's secure. And we'll bring our lower cushion cover down, put it into place. Now we'll take our side straps, tuck them between the trim and the cushion, run them under the seat, and attach them to the grid work that the cushion is on. Let's pull in. Now I'm going to take my straps on the front of the cushion cover and put them under this front trim piece. And then I'm going to run them under the seat to the back so I can buckle them to their corresponding buckle. Now we'll take the straps that we brought from the front, attach those to the clips, and then we're going to pull that snug. I'll actually pull up the slack from the front. I'll reach in, grab that piece of strap, pull it tight. And the same for this side. Now I'll just tighten on the strap here. Take the extra time to tuck the cover under the factory trim. That's the way it's designed, and it provides a much cleaner overall look. All that's left to do is to install the headrest cover, and that's going to complete the installation of the Rough Country seat cover on the front driver's side, which is the exact same installation on the passenger side. So let me take care of the headrest. We'll install it, and then we'll get started on the back. Now you can actually install the headrest cover with the headrest on the seat. It's kind of like a second pair of hands holding it. You won't have to wrestle it with it, but I'm a glutton for punishment. I want to show you how it's done, so I'm gonna do it here on the bench. So we're simply gonna slide the cover on and attach it with the Velcro on the bottom. now we're ready to move on to the back. The back is fairly simple. The bottoms actually flip up, so we've got 360 access to them, as well as the rears fold down, so it's not going to be a problem. It's a 4-piece set plus the 3 headrest covers, and that's because the rear seat is a 40-60 split. On the passenger side, there is a center seat belt that comes down. We've got accommodations for that with a simple Velcro flap. So you'll run this under the seat belt, put the seat belt through the hole, and attach the flap. We'll actually start with this piece, which is the passenger side back portion of the seat, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, our first step is going to be to remove the headrest. So I'll climb up in here, grab the center one, pick it off, flip this bottom up and out of the way, give us more room, and I'm going to bring the back down slightly so you can see we're going to be able to work all this area without a problem. So we're going to take this rear cover, unclip all the straps, it's going to go under the center seat belt initially, then we'll separate the Velcro and reattach it around the seat belt. Once we've got that out of the way, we will bring the seat down a little bit and work our way around putting the cover in place. A couple of things to look out for: make sure that your straps aren't tucked under the cover, and be sure to take your pull strap through the provided hole. While we're up here, we're going to go ahead and go around all the headrest mounts, get those in place. Just securing the cover around the corners. It's like a fitted sheet. We'll take our side straps and connect them to the corresponding strap on the other side. All right, let's get this bottom cushion cover on. These covers are going to go on pretty much the same way as this one did. We'll fit them around the perimeter, then feed the straps through, buckle them, and cinch them tight. Put on there. Start here. Make sure we've got all of our straps set, and buckle those up. Cinch tight. And finally, our side straps with hooks. Bring those in. Sorry, there we go. One. All right, let's get this driver's side rear back installed. Bring it down a little bit. Work our way around the perimeter. There's my other one. Here. These rear headrest covers simply just slip on, just like that. All right, and that completes the installation of Rough Country's neoprene seat covers for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma Crew Cab. If you want to keep your pristine interior looking great, or maybe cover up a not so great looking interior, the answer for both of those are the Rough Country neoprene water resistant seat covers. Check them out today at roughcountry.com.